In this video, let us find out how to place a bracket plus TSL order. So a bracket order is a type of order where you can enter a new position along with a target or exit and a stop loss order. As soon as the main order is executed, the system will place two more orders. When one of the two orders gets executed, the other order will automatically get cancelled. Now let's see how to place a bracket order. Open the Market Watch after logging in. To place a bracket order for buying, tap on the script and then click Buy. Next, on the order window page, click on Order Type and select Bracket. Fill in the order details, which is your quantity, price, etc. Once you're done with that, click on Place Order and click on Confirm. You can also tap on Order Book to check the status of your order. You can also tap on View More to see two of your other orders. To place a bracket order for short selling, tap on the script, select the Sell option from the Call to Action box. On the order window page, select Sell Big Trade Plus from the Action tab, followed by selecting the bracket order type. Similarly, fill in the order details, which is your quantity, price, etc. and place the order. Now, to place a bracket plus TSL order for buying, click on the script and tap Buy. Next, on the order window page, click on Order Type and select Bracket plus TSL order. As you can see, a bracket plus TSL order is almost as same as bracket order. The only addition in a bracket plus TSL order is the trailing stop loss condition. Under this condition, you can either select market price or when price reach and accordingly place the order. You can also modify or cancel your pending orders. Similar to buying, you can also short sell a script using bracket plus TSL order. Simply select Sell Big Trade from the Action tab. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.